If you use WhatsApp on your phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see step-by-step guide on how to simply share your screen during video calls on WhatsApp, a very new features and new update in WhatsApp. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here to open up my WhatsApp. Then having opened up your WhatsApp, next thing you need to do is to simply select a contact that you would like to share your screen with during video call. So I'm going to simply select on this particular contact right here. Then having selected the contact, next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure I click on video icon right here.